Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is a very exciting day. Snell tree experts have arrived and they are going to be removing all of the trees out front on the next door property. That includes the river birch, the Bradford pear, a red maple, and a seedling liquid ambar that's seeded in way too close to the house. And I'm also gonna have them do some work on the water oak that is planted over on my property, have that limbed up so that that shrub border along this side will get more light, everything will grow so much better. I cannot wait to show the process of this. Snell is absolutely incredible. We used them over the summer to deal with an emergency water oak situation in our woodland. And I just think that this is the first step of groundbreaking on the Carolina Garden Retreat House. So I will be sure to film all day long to show you the process. And I can't wait to see this as a blank slate. Getting rid of all the trees out front, including this sick peach. But we're gonna cut this one down and Snell's gonna chip it for us. I don't use chainsaws. I'm glad they do. This is the self-seeded liquid ambar that I've been telling the homeowners of this house to cut out for almost 12 years. Finally coming out. So Aiden and I are just hanging out on the front porch, trying to stay out of the way, but we're like the most excited bystanders. And the team is going over the logistics of getting the Bradford pear taken out once and for all. I'm super happy to see it. So I'm gonna show you that process. One less Bradford in this world. We're doing the environment a service. Yeah. It's the moment I've been waiting for a decade. The Bradford pear is coming out. It's a big blank space. Nothing but possibilities. They still have a couple of stumps to grind. Well, Aiden, what do you think?
Well, it's awesome.
I can't believe how much bigger it looks without the trees. And of course, it's not like we're not going to put more trees in.
No.
I mean, you know, we just pan over here and, you know, I'm a tree planter. But we're going to have the right trees, and we're actually going to focus on a native plant palette. So the goal here is to incorporate native trees, shrubs, and perennials, and then in all the open areas, cultivate food crops. Because that is the goal of the foodscape revolution, is to be environmentally friendly and make it so that you as the home gardener get the most out of your land. And we're gonna achieve that here on this blank slate. Soon it won't be all grass that needs constant maintenance, let's face it.
Yeah.
And though I love grass, and grass has a very important role, we're not going to take all the grass away, but we're certainly going to make it not 100% turf, which is what this yard currently is.
Yep.
So, I guess we officially broke ground today.
Yes.
Stay tuned for more updates, everybody, and thanks so much for watching.